How to receive satellite channels to analog TV system at a low cost. This is a head-end device used for digital to analog. Support IP input and 32 channels PAL, NTSC and SECAM RF output. Let's look at the appearance firstly. T3389A also support HDMI or AV inputs to 16 channels, 48 channels and 64 channels output. How to use Modulator to receive IP. Step 1, receive satellite signal. Step 2, connect IP with Modulator. Step 3, get analog RF to TV. Let's do it together.
Plug in the power cord and turn on the modulator. Connect signal source. Connect satellite receiver via network cable. Output, RF coaxial output. Connect to TV.
Thanks for your watching. Subscribe and we'll keep updated.